on, guys? Tonight I'm going to do a review of the SLR Super Angle Kit for BMW E30, E36, and E46. Alright, so first we're going to jack up the car and see what it looks like. What do you think? You think it's gonna be sick? Yeah, dude. It's gonna be awesome. Pa? You gonna help today? Alright, car's on jack stands, it's all ready to go. I'm gonna climb underneath there with my torch, and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like and how it works. Alright, so bear with me. The last event we had to go through some dirt roads right after it rained, so the underneath of my E30 is pretty muddy, as you can see, but nothing too major. So these are the solid control arm bushings. They're great quality. See, there's sort of a bushing in there, but not really. It's more of like a nylon, like, ring. I wouldn't really call it a bushing, but it holds everything where it's supposed to be. And with me, I deleted my front sway bar. So when I had the old lollipop style control arm bushings that had the rubber in there that were really, really wonky and just floated around, each control arm would kind of like do its own thing, and on the highway I would get horrible death wobble. So this definitely fixed it. Each control arm tracks straight, and it's just a lot better than what I had. Alright, so for the actual control arm, as you can see, the quality is great. I have no complaints at all. They're really light. They're bigger than factory, obviously. So that's what really gives you the angle. And you have these spherical bushings all over the place, which are awesome. I mean, there's no play in anything. I love it. This is the first angle kit I've owned, and I really don't see in me upgrading because it gives me a ton of angle, and I'm not even maxed out yet. And the price, I paid about $1,300, and this kit's like, I'd say 3-ish years old. They have newer kits, which I guess they have more angle now, but this one definitely works for me. Highly recommend it. Alright, and for the third part of this kit, these are, I don't know really what they're called. I kind of call them just plates because I don't, I'm not too picky. But this is how it works. You have the extended tie rod ends. They're almost like, they're basically sleeves, I guess you could call it. Let me see if I can get a decent shot on that. But it just takes your tie rod end, extends it a lot, as you can see, and then it goes into the bottom of that plate that sandwiches to the bottom of your hub. And on top, there's your Ackerman Adjustment. And you move it over to these different bubbles on the top. It's hard to see because it's dark and I don't have a small flashlight, but that helps with your Ackerman Adjustment. And if you don't know what that is, just Google it real quick. It'll tell you everything you need to know. But it's a great sort of, option for this kit. But as you can see, that gives you a hell of a lot of angle. And I'm not even maxed out. I'm on 1/2-inch spacers right now, and I'm hitting my wheel right there. I'm rubbing it on the controller. I plan to go with a smaller wheel, thinner wheel. I'm on 16s right now, but I want a thinner wheel so I can max out my angle, and I'm going to throw some bigger spacers in there so I can really use all of this angle kit. Also, for this kit, you have to run a 16-inch wheel because this plate really pushes the control arm and the tie rod end down a lot. And as you can see, I'm barely clearing with a 16-inch wheel. 15s won't fit, no matter what. You have to have at least a 16. Also, I recommend getting longer brake lines for the front because Angle kit obviously moves farther than your normal like stock control arms would move, and it ends up pulling your brake lines, and you don't want your brake lines to go on track, obviously. See, I have the BAV auto like braided brake lines, steel braided brake lines, and it pulls the whole thing. See how it's twisted like that? It's just not enough. So I'm gonna go with the extended ones. So yeah, that's my review of the SLR Super Angle Kit for BMW E30, E36, and E46. Post in the comments below if there's anything that I missed, if there's anything that you'd like me to make a video for the future. And yeah, I'm looking forward to do a lot more videos about the drift build over the winter. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys.
Control the world from the outside. Times so hard, make you want to hit control the world from the outside. It's go always, no, not reach, bring it out of days.